In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $10,211 in commission just in 13 days promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Instagram. Yes, just by using free traffic on Instagram without investing any money in paid ads. And I made this commission just in 13 days. Okay, as you can see, from the first day of this month of July until the day 13. Okay, $10,211. This is my clicks, this is my CTR. People who used my affiliate links and paid for these services or products, and that's it. I'm gonna share with you guys everything. You just need to copy and paste so you can start making some commission like this. Okay, I'm gonna share everything. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot, guys. I can click over here. As you can see, this is my dashboard: marketing tools, reports, payment, post backup, affiliate commission plan, affiliate store. This is my ID. I don't need to show that, but that's fine. Anyway, people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, just follow those steps. Okay, so step number 1, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr home page. So just come to this page and scroll down. Go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission, and so all you have to do is you just need to click on join now like this, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you need to do next is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Okay, do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country. Okay, and choose your language. It's super easy, guys. Okay, it's gonna take just a few minutes. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Okay, so after you finish, what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Instagram to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links, affiliate link service that I'm promoting on Instagram to earn commission. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search for design Instagram post. Okay, so since we will promote our services on Instagram, we will choose services related to Instagram. Okay, so that's why I'm searching for this one, design Instagram post, and I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, for example, I think this one is good. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. So I will just click on his service like this. So just click on his service. I will click on his service like this. So what you will do next, just choose which seller you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Like I said, this one is top rated seller. Just click on his service like this. So just click on his service here and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, and as you can see, guys, people already paying for this service. You can see it's almost 20 orders in queue, and you can see how many people paid for this service here, and this seller is top rated seller. Okay, so which people are buying this service? It's already working and people already buying this service, okay? And this is the proof. You can see that over here in this seller profile page, okay? So which people will buy this service? Of course, only people who has Instagram page, and I will share with you which people will be interested to buy this service from you, okay? So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller profile, copy his profile link like this, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payment, post back. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. Okay? So let's go to Instagram. It's super easy. Open your Instagram account like this. All of you guys have Instagram accounts. Just open your Instagram account like this. But it's better to create new Instagram accounts and should be business account. Okay? After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on the search, okay, and search for hashtag restaurant, okay? Search for this hashtag restaurant like this. You have a lot of hashtags here that you can use, but I'm gonna use this one because this one has a lot of people here. As you can see, a lot of people are using this hashtag. So I will scroll down and you will find a lot of Instagram business page about a restaurant here on Instagram, okay? So let's choose one, for example. I'm gonna choose, let's check this one. I will click on this one, the first one, okay? This is an Instagram business page about a restaurant, okay? So I'm gonna check this page. Let me see. So you will be, I'm gonna remove this. You will be directly in this page. And as you can see, guys, this page, it's an Instagram business page about a restaurant, okay? So what you will do, you can see that those they are posting those posts on Instagram. They are not designing those posts, okay? So this Instagram page will be interested to design those posts and make them looks like this, branding and professional, okay? So what you will do, I will go back to this page, I will click on message and I will send a professional message to this person with my affiliate link, asking him if he is interested to grow his Instagram page and design his Instagram post, okay? So what I will do, so to create a professional and friendly message, just go to Google and search for this AI website. Search for ChatGPT, okay? So this AI website will help you to create a professional and friendly message that you can use and send to those people who will be interested to buy those services from you, okay? So I asked, click on message here and put this message. You can copy mine or you can use your own message if you want. So I asked ChatGPT to create a professional and friendly message that I can send to people on, so let me show you, to send to people on Instagram, okay? Create a professional and friendly message that I can send to people on Instagram to buy design Instagram post service from my Fiverr affiliate link, okay? And here you go. ChatGPT created this message. It's a really amazing and professional message. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to share a fantastic service that I think you would love if you are looking to elevate your Instagram game with stunning and eye-catching posts. There is a top-rated designer on Fiverr who can help you out. They offer professional Instagram post design that can really make your profile stand out and engage your followers. That's a good message. So what I will do, I will just copy this message I will go back to Instagram and I will put this message here like this, and here you need to put your affiliate link. Okay, I will put my affiliate link here so they can check it. You can check out this amazing work and get your own custom design here. Okay, I will put my affiliate link here. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account and I will copy my affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account and I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. And as you can see, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. So if you want to make your affiliate link short link, you can use this website. It's not important, but for me, I like to make it short link. Put your affiliate link here and click on shorten. And that's it. It's for free and it's super easy. And here you go. Okay, so just copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Instagram and put your affiliate link here. Like this. Click on send. And here you go. Your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link. Okay, so if this person is interested to grow his Instagram page and design his Instagram posts, make them looks more professional and branding on this service from you, and you will earn commission. And that's it. Those people are your customers. Search for hashtag, like I show you, search for, let me show you, search for hashtag restaurants and keep scrolling here. You can find a limited, let me show you. You can find a lot of Instagram business page that will be interested to buy those services from you, because they are already paying for those services, and some page they don't know about Fiverr, they don't know about those freelancers, they don't know even if this service exists. So what you will do, you will help those people to make their Instagram page looks more professional and branding with those designing posts, and you will earn commission. And that's it. It's really super easy, guys, and that's how you can make commission with Instagram affiliate marketing. I show you how you can create your affiliate account. I show you how you can create your affiliate link. I show you how you can find services that's working. I show you how you can find people from Instagram who will be interested to buy those services from you. What's left is your work. You will start working. You will stay consistent. You will keep doing more research. You will learn how to convince people to buy services from you. You will learn about marketing. I don't know, it's up to you. I shared this with you for free and it's up to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this about affiliate marketing and new methods, comment in this video affiliate marketing, like this video, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.